Hello everyone! This is Titaner's new generation titanium wallet, Titaner Verso. Last year, we introduced our first titanium wallet. Its slim design, security, and versatility received great feedback from users around the world. Thank you. But we kept asking ourselves, can we make it even more refined? Can we create a better everyday experience? So we redesigned every detail and created the new Titaner Verso.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive.
Every ultra-thin titanium product starts from a solid piece of titanium, from material selection to every single structure. Every detail is carefully controlled. To achieve an ultra-thin design, we machined the back plate down to only 0.7 millimeters. For a better hand feel, we designed a smooth, rounded profile, and every edge is CNC chamfered. The precision texture on the back improves grip, while adding a unique visual character. The car entrance is carefully chamfered to get cars smoothly into the body. To reduce the noise during sliding, we designed a 0.1 millimeter gap between the upper and lower shells. The bottom of the push rod is covered with PTFE, and the magnets are covered by PA66 engineering nylon gaskets to make the sliding more smooth and natural. Okay, why not give Titaner Verso a try if you like it? Thank you.